in contact with the nature, with the oxygen, and then we start showing its true color, as I said.
I just wanted to ask, as a layman in wines, just tell me, like, once you open the bottle, we cannot preserve it for more than 24 hours, as you said. That means we should finish the wine bottle at one go.
Yeah. Okay. Let me go to the bit of basics here. Wine is like human being. Okay. It starts the process conception in the vineyard, and then it comes out, and then it grows. It gets better and better in the bottle, and then eventually it dies out, becomes vinegar. Now, when you open the bottle, that same question he asked. You're breathing, you're oxidating the wine, and it gets better and better. But after a certain time, it will start coming down, you know. So it will become vinegar maybe in 2 hours, maybe in 24 hours. Therefore, when you open the bottle of wine and do not finish it, after 24 hours, the taste will be like vinegar. It will not be as good as it was in the first 1 or 2 hours. Therefore, you have to finish the bottle. But having said that, most of you are very rich. I'm not a very rich person. I don't want to waste my wine if I don't drink it. So I suggest a couple of tips, you know, to not waste the wine as such. Number one is, I of course, like, I don't know, we got half bottles anymore? Is it coming out? So one is to go to half bottles, you know, imported wine, Indian wine, you get in half bottles. So you can finish between husband and wife or by yourself. The second thing is, if you don't do that, then my advice is you open the bottle and take that you think is going to drink, and then put the cork back on immediately and put it in the fridge. And my personal experience, it's got no scientific explanation, it is that you put it in the freezer. Not in the fridge, put it in the freezer, because if it is less than half a bottle, it will never crack. The bottle will never break. When you want to drink it again, you open it and let it come back to normal temperature. It will take about 15 minutes and it's ready to drink. This way you can keep the bottle for maybe 1 week, maybe even 2 weeks. Then there are other, you know, equipment to preserve, make sure there is no oxygen in it. Because remember, the oxygen is the enemy of wine. And of course light and all those things, but oxygen is the key thing. And that's where it helps initially when you breathe the wine, and then it starts bringing it down.
I think there are a lot of wine accessories available today, even in India, which could be as starting from maybe a few thousand rupees going up, very expensive. The whole idea is there's a possibility to vacuumize the wine. This is what we do exactly in the winery. For example, we have a tank which is 15,000 liters. Okay, I got an order, this is the best wine I have. I got an order, then I made half the wine, 7,500 gone. I'm left with 7.5. So what do I do? If I leave that tank half for even few hours, the wine is going to really change, you know. And so we have to vacuumize the wine to ensure that it doesn't get bad. Similarly, in the bottle, what you need to do is you can use a simple vacuumizer. 2,000 rupees. It comes with a couple of closures. You vacuumize the wine and put those closures there. It can easily stay for 3-4 days without a problem.
Yeah, the problem is when most of us here do not have those equipment, or if they do, it's very, you know, best is pure Geo,
But your half bottles, which you are...
Half bottle is a good idea. Yeah, good idea. And I tell you, you know, many people are members of friends of mine in the club. They take one bottle and finish 3 days. कोई problem नहीं, cork में लगाया, वापस रख दिया, 3 days it's okay.
The freezer is a good option.
Freezer is a damn good option. I'm telling you, nobody will.
I've tried putting the big bottles in the freezer, that doesn't work. I do it in height of summer for 10 minutes in the freezer, out, and then I serve.
But no, I'm talking about when you have opened the bottle.
As I said, the big bottles you cannot freeze.
You can.
Not for too long.
No. If you have consumed half the bottle, other half is there, nothing will happen to the
It
bottle.
won't burst?
No way. Half the bottle won't burst, but if it's 80% or more, then it will die. That's always the half bottle.
Okay, I'll quickly move into the second white wine. This has been a great success for us. This is the